Another question asking to use data from the graph to complete the statement. So we come to the end. We are being asked about what is suggested. I'm going to highlight suggests, not this, because I got to go a little bit higher to figure out what is this. And so we see that because efficient national government is necessary to provide urban services and infrastructure that attract economic investment, M et al. Proposed that absent other factors, the importance of GDP per capita growth to ULE would likely increase relative to the importance of population growth as governments become more efficient. So we're going to see that it's more important for GDP growth, and that's going to be the darker color here, as governments become more efficient. So we want to show that basically we've got an increase in GDP per capita growth for region 2 to region 2 later on, and it goes down for region 1. So we come up and we see we've got the percentage of ULE attributed to population growth and GDP per capita growth in 2 world regions. Don't know much about the regions. We're just talking about how the urban population growth and the GDP per capita growth are kind of at odds with each other. So starting with choice A, national governments of countries in Region 1 experienced declines in efficiency in the period from 2000 to 2014 relative to the period from 1970 to 2000. And it does seem like that to a degree because we've got a decrease in the GDP per capita growth. So we'll just hold on to that for now. Then choice B, countries in Region 1 experienced a slower rate of economic growth in the period from 2000 to 2014 than in countries in Region 2 did, despite increasing national government efficiency in Region 1. Well, no, they're not getting the increase in efficiency in 1, it's in 2. So goodbye to B is basically a misinterpretation. Then choice C, national governments in most countries in Region 2, we didn't talk about most countries. Like that would be a distinction that's not there, so goodbye to choice C. And then choice D, national governments of countries in Region 1 and in Region 2 generally became more efficient in the period from 2000 to 2014 than they had been. Well, no, they didn't actually. So they're one's going one direction, the other's going the opposite direction. You can see they're expanding the difference in Region 1 over time. They're shrinking the difference between the two in Region 2 over time. So they're not the same. So goodbye to choice D. We select our correct answer of A.